Welcome to our channel Coding Solutions. In this video, I will be going to show you how to take a input from the user. So let's start. I have written a small code just to save some time for you. I have written the print as student information. Just enter your name, enter your age, enter your marks. Let me print it and show you. See, it is given, what I have given is given there only. All printing line is simple. Now I have shown you that if I write here name equals to, name should be in string, suppose Arijit, age, I will tell you I am taking this in string, and marks, suppose marks is 90. So you all know what we have to do. Plus for string, you all know this. I have already told you in the previous videos. If you haven't seen that video, you can watch it again and you can understand. Age, and here marks. Let's print again and see what it's coming. See, name is Arijit, age is 31 and marks is 90. You all know this. Now I will be taking the input from the user. Listen very carefully. This is very interesting one. Name is written. Now what I will do, I will take input. Remember this, input. Input, enter your name. Done. Enter your name. Now age, I will input this also. Input, enter your age. But for documentation, what can I do? I can give you a colon. This will look nice, na? And marks, what I should do? Input, enter your marks. I've done the input. Let's see what it's print now. See, a cursor is coming here. You can have it. You can have a look. See, I can give my name. Suppose I can give any name. Suppose I give Bornita here. Suppose I give the age 21. Suppose I give the marks 96. See, you can have a watch. Name Bornita, age 21, marks 96. The input which I have given. See, that's the input from the user. That's it. And remember, I have shown all the things in string, all the inputs in string. So in the next video, I will be going to show you how to take input other than string, like integer, float. I will show you the typecasting. So by this, we complete this video. If you like this video, subscribe the channel. I will be going to upload Python videos every day. Thank you for watching this video. Stay safe, stay healthy.